Hello everyone, so today we are going to do the current affair of 5th of December 2020 daily best current affairs series in English. I am Jiten Verma, so let's start it. Which railway station situated between Pratapgarh and Badshahpur on Lucknow Varanasi rail section will now be named as Ma Barahi Devi Dham? So answer is Dandupur railway station, and it is between Pratapgarh and Badshahpur. And talking of railway station, so recently Mandwa railway station has been renamed as Banaras railway station. Okay, Banaras railway station. So now Mandwa railway station is Banaras railway station. Banaras railway station. Okay, and first Kisan Rail. That question is very important. First Kisan Rail ran between Maharashtra, Devlali in Maharashtra to Danapur in Bihar. Okay, and recently Northern Railway has started a train called Vyapar Mala that ran from Delhi to Tripura. Okay, so remember this one also. First solar power plant 2 megawatt has been commissioned at Telungwell in which state? So the state name is Mizoram and the capital is Aizawl. Capital of Mizoram is Aizawl, and CM is, who is the CM? CM is Zoram Thanga. Okay, and what about governor? Governor is PS Sridharan Pillai. Okay, PS Sridharan Pillai. Mamata Banerjee named the newly built Majarat Bridge in which state as Jai Hind Bridge to commemorate the 125th birth anniversary of Subhash Chandra Bose. So answer of this question is West Bengal. Capital is Kolkata, and CM is Mamata Banerjee, and governor is Jagdeep Dhankad. Okay, and recently West Bengal started so many schemes. So recently West Bengal started Mahatirtha and Mahapunya. Mahapunya Bhumi. These are the two projects started by West Bengal, Mahatirtha Bhumi and Mahapunya Bhumi. These are the two projects started by West Bengal recently, and a tram library, first of its kind in the whole world, tram library has been opened in West Bengal, and there is a trade link that has been developed between Jagaon in West Bengal to Pasaka, Bhutan. Okay, and Snehar Parash scheme has been launched by West Bengal government for migrant laborers. Okay, for migrant laborers. Victoria Memorial is a famous building in West Bengal. Karma Sathi Prakalpa scheme has been started by Maharashtra government, not Maharashtra, West Bengal government. Okay, and Prochesta scheme started by West Bengal government. Okay, world largest solar tree has been developed in West Bengal. Okay, so many schemes, remember all this. Which day is observed every year on 5th of December? So that is International Volunteer Day and World Soil Day. So answer is both A and C, and here is the theme for International Volunteer Day: together we can through volunteering, and World Soil Day: keep soil alive, protect soil biodiversity. So remember the themes also. Which bank in partnership with the Rupee 5 Visa launched Axis Bank Rupee 5 business credit card for MSME? So answer is Axis Bank. So where is the headquarter? Headquarter is in Mumbai. And who is the MD and CEO? Amitabh Chaudhary. Okay, Amitabh Chaudhary. And who is the MD and CEO of ICICI? Sandeep Bakshi. You can actually note it down. And who is the MD and CEO of HDFC Bank? Aditya Puri. Aditya Puri. And who is the CEO of Yes Bank? So that is your question for today. You have to tell me in comment section. That is your homework. You have to tell me the CEO of Yes Bank. The Indian Navy and the Russian Federation Navy are undertaking which exercise in the Eastern Indian origin region? So the exercise name is PASEX. PASEX is not a specific exercise. PASEX means passing exercise. So it is generally done between the two countries, India and Australia. Okay, India and Australia, but that is not necessary. So now between India and Australia, that exercise has been done in October, and in December PASEX exercise are undertaking between Indian and Russian Navy. Okay, Indian and Russian Navy. PASEX means passing exercise. Okay. Lakshadweep administrator Dineshwar Sharma passed away. He was earlier headed which group? He was the head of IB, Intelligence Bureau. And who is the current head of IB? Arvind Kumar. Arvind Kumar. Okay. And who is the current head of RAW? Samant Goyal. Samant Goyal. And who is the head of NSG? SS Deshwal. Deshwal. And who is the head of CISF, Central Industrial Security Force? Head is Rajesh Ranjan. Rajesh Ranjan. Rajesh Ranjan. And CISF launched E-Kalyan app recently. E-Kalyan app. E-Kalyan app. And CISF declared 2020 as Year of Mobility. Year of Mobility. Year of Mobility. So remember this one also. Who has released the book titled 40 Years with Abdul Kalam Untold Story, a book on the life of the former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam? So the answer of this question is M. Venkaiah Naidu, and M. Venkaiah Naidu is the Vice President of India and the head of Rajya Sabha. Okay, Rajya Sabha Speaker. Rajya Sabha Speaker is M. Venkaiah Naidu. Rajya Sabha Speaker. Because Rajya Sabha Speaker is always Vice President of India, so current Rajya Sabha Speaker is M. Venkaiah Naidu. And who is the Lok Sabha Speaker? Om Birla. Om Birla. And what is the constituency of Om Birla? Kota. Kota. And who is Narendra Modi? Obviously you know that, Prime Minister of India. And Home Minister is Amit Shah. Smriti Irani is Textile Minister. Textile. And Women and Child Development. Women and Child Development. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu has virtually released a commemorative postage stamp to honor former Prime Minister I.K. Gujral on his which birth anniversary? So it is 101. A government teacher from Zila Parishad Primary School in Paritwadi village, Solapur district of Maharashtra has won the 2020 Global Teacher Prize. Who is that? That question is very important. So the answer of question is Ranjit Singh Diesel. Okay, here is the picture. You can see Ranjit Singh Diesel. And what is the prize money? So prize money is actually $1 million. $1 million. The Indian American young scientist and inventor has been named as first ever Kid of the Year by the iconic Time magazine. Name that girl. So the girl name is Gitanjali Rao, as you can see in the picture. Okay, and where is the headquarters of Time magazine? So headquarters is in New York. Who has been named as the Person of the Year for 2020 by the People for Ethical Treatment of Animal PETA? So answer is John Abraham. And who is the president of PETA? So president is Ingrid Elizabeth Newkirk. Okay, Ingrid Elizabeth Newkirk is the president of PETA. And where is the headquarters? Headquarters is in Norfolk, USA. Norfolk is a place in USA. Okay, in Virginia district, in Virginia state. Okay, Virginia is a state in USA, and Norfolk is a city. Who has been named as the president of the Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry for the year of 2020 and 21? So answer of this question is Uday Shankar. That question is important. As you can see in the picture, Uday Shankar. The 7th meeting of the India and which country joint committee on bilateral cooperation was held virtually? So answer of this question is Mongolia. And what is the capital? Capital is Ulaanbaatar. Ulaanbaatar is the capital. And what is the capital of Zambia? Lusaka. And what is the capital of Ukraine? Kiev is the capital of Ukraine. And Netherlands, Amsterdam. So that is the video for today. Thank you for watching Sure Short Study. You can follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and Telegram. And let's meet in the next video, that is 6th of December. So thank you for watching.